Today we're making pork tenderloin tapa. First step is to add some minced garlic to your tenderloin. Then add some soy sauce, some white vinegar or calamansi juice, and a lot of black pepper. Tapos dagdagan mo ng konting brown sugar para medyo sweet, di kagaya ni X. Walang kakwenta-kwenta. Tapos Worcestershire sauce. You can skip this though. So let that stand for about 30 minutes, pero balikan mo kasi masama mang ghost. And then fry it up on a non-stick pan at medium heat. Or natanggalin mo yung mga garlic na nakakabit kasi madaling masunog yun. In general, mas maganda talaga tanggalin lahat ng kabit. Anyway, turn that over, make sure that the other side is cooked. And once that's cooked, go ahead and add back in your marinade. Cook that down and let it stand for about 10 minutes. So after resting your tenderloin for about 10 minutes, buti pa yung tenderloin nakapag-rest yung puso ko. Anyway, pwede mo na siyang islice. And you will get very tender pieces of tenderloin. Medyo may pink pa sa gitna. And yun, hindi siya masyadong cute, pero sobrang sarap niyan. Di kagaya ni X. Cute lang. Serve that with garlic fried rice and some eggs and you've got yourself an awesome breakfast.